Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the iMAT Flip Cutting Mat M-Type. A foldable marvel that transforms from a compact A4 size to a generous 37.8 by 13.78 inches, perfect for all your crafting needs. This innovative mat is designed for double-sided use, featuring inches on one side with multi-angle lines and centimeters with a grid on the other, making measuring and cutting a breeze. Thanks to its unique folding design, it's incredibly portable and easy to store, fitting snugly into backpacks or drawers, and can even be used as a folder or bookshelf. With three forms to accommodate small, medium, and large crafts, it's ideal for paper sculpture, sewing, cloth, leather, and more, allowing you to create anytime, anywhere. The iMAT's patented foldable technology ensures seamless cutting on one side and a tight seam on the other, providing uninterrupted crafting experiences. Made from a three-layer structure of TPE elastomer and PP hard plate, this mat offers excellent knife mark recovery and cutting protection, all while being non-toxic, odorless, and recyclable. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the iMAT Flip Cutting Mat is your go-to tool for precision and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.